Okay, guys, hump day, Wednesday. This is my favorite time of day when I get to show and tell. Just so if there's anybody new jumping onto this stuff, I've got a section. I'm going to do some thumbnails for this section of Hazel's first two-toed Tom encounter. Now, in this case, she's on the island, surrounded by muddy waters. She just witnessed the gator pull the trailer or swallow the trailer, her mom's trailer, and go into the water. So that's where we join Hazel. She's shocked. She sees this thing submerge, and she's doom bida doom bida doom doom doom, runs out onto the dock. Boom, bam, boom, gets way out to the very tippy top of the dock. Oops, and she looks, and she doesn't see anything. And she's like, looks down, she rips a plank out of the thing, and she's like, whap! She knows like loud sounds attract this thing. Still, nothing. She's got another idea. Doom, ba doom, ba doom, boom, boom, boom. She goes up here to get a better vantage point. And she takes her staff, and when she hits this thing, boom! It has this like echo effect. And that did it. That started to stir up some shit. And here comes these bubbles. And Hazel jumps and runs towards danger because she's a badass or a dumbass. And then whoosh, she comes out like this. She takes off. Ooh, slow-mo. Boo-boo. She finds this place to hide. But that's no good because he just grabs the whole thing. He's blind, by the way. So she jumps out and escapes for a sec. He goes back in the water. And that's where I'm at. So I just thought I'd give you a little cliffhanger. Yeah, again, I'm just throwing some rough stuff up here nice and early. Picture me on the softball team. I'm in the warm-up section, and I'm just swinging 3 bats right now. So let me know if we need to course correct or if this is looking cool. Talk to you soon.